In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Shopify bullet points to your product pages. We all know how important it is for product descriptions to be clear and well organized, so this tutorial will guide you through creating visually appealing descriptions using bullet points. Let's get started by navigating to the Shopify admin page. It's crucial to have your Shopify store set up and be logged into your admin account, as we'll be making some changes directly in the product descriptions. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand menu and select My Store. This option takes you to the home section of your Shopify admin where you can access all the main features related to your store setup and administration. From here, we want to focus on how you present your products to potential customers. So, click on the Products tab. This section is where you find all the products you've listed in your store, and it's the perfect starting point for making any necessary updates or enhancements to your product descriptions. Now, let's locate the specific product that you'd like to edit. For this example, we'll choose Example Shirt 2. Clicking on it will bring up the product's detail page where you can make edits to its description, pricing, inventory, and more. If you have multiple products, you can either scroll through your list or use the search bar above your products to quickly locate what you're looking for. After entering the product detail page, shift your focus to the product description field. This area is where we'll be adding bullet points to better communicate the features and benefits of the product. To begin, click on the description box to activate the text editor. Then, highlight the section where you would like to add bullet points. You'll notice that a formatting toolbar appears above the text field, giving you options to format your text, including the use of bullet points. In the toolbar, locate and click on the bullet point icon. This action will automatically insert a bullet point for you to start listing key features or any important information in a clean and easy-to-read manner. Bullet points are particularly effective for breaking down product features, benefits, or specifications, making it simple for customers to absorb necessary details at a glance. Continue to type out each point that you want to highlight, hitting Enter after each to create a new bullet. This format improves the readability of your product descriptions and can be an effective selling tool. Once you're satisfied with the changes, scroll back up to either save or publish your edits. Updating your descriptions with bullet points can make them stand out and potentially increase your conversion rates as customers appreciate concise and organized information. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly add bullet points to your Shopify product descriptions, enhancing both their appearance and effectiveness. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.